Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to unbox a motorbike, and it's a MVX250F, and it's a Honda, and it's made by Tamiya. So now this bike came out, well, the original bike came out in 1984, right, and Tamiya made a kit in 1984. It's up there, you see it. That's what the box art look like. So, and this one here is a release of 2015 kit, and the only way you can tell the difference is see that symbol there. That's a 2015 box art, and if you look up there on a 1984 box art, that there symbol there, it's not there. So that's how you can tell the difference, guys. So and the item number is 14023, so it's pretty awesome. And you can actually have different colour schemes of the bike. You can have the white, blue, or the red and white, or black. So what else? Oh the engine. I don't know. Now the engine there is a free two-stroke. Now some of you don't understand what that means, because there's a V, and it's a free cylinder. So you got two at the bottom and one up there. So, and it's a two-stroke. So that's why there's 3 cans for one each cylinder. So, and there's your 3 carburetors. So that's what the engine is, free. I'm trying to get that thing to zoom in. It's not really zoom. There we go. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty awesome. 2-stroke 250. I say that's a good going thing back in 1984. So. Right, let's do a bit of unboxing and see what's in the box. And look guys, it was £28, 25, but I got it for I think £15. So let's take a look inside. Now, first things first is the manual. There is the paint. Oh my god, it's hard to see. There is the paint colours. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it might be handy if you guys see what colours you're looking for. So let's take a look inside. Yes, there's the engine. There's your 3 carburetors. There's your cage. Pretty simple enough to build. There's your fuel tank, your handlebars. There's your back seat. A lot of painting, semi-gloss black, matte black. Alright, definitely a lot. There's your wheels, your sprocket, your shocks. There's your front defenders. Aye, a lot of work in this one. So let's take a look at the first package. Let's open that baby up. Oh look at, oh well, it's painted and all. That's not bad. There's your wheels, front and back. At least you don't have to paint them anyway. So that's that one. What's next? There is your cage. I think that's your rear arm, back wheel, I think. Yes, let's move on. Oh, there's your glass, your front glass. There's your rear tail lights. There's your front light. So there's nice set of tires. I don't know if you guys can actually see that. There's your spark plug wires and your fuel tank. I think that's your fuel tank. And I believe there's a couple of wee screws for the back wheel or the front wheels, I think. Don't know, I'll have to look at the manual. So what's next? Here is all the body. Well, there's your there's your seat anyway. There's your side panels. There's your fuel tank. There's your side panel. I think that's your front defender or your back. I don't know. So that's pretty simple enough. What's next? Hey, here is your. There's all your cans, your 3 cans. There's all your engine bits. There's I think that's your chain cover. There's your chain and sprocket. What else we got here? I believe that's your wing mirror. There's your feet peg right there. There's your 3 cylinder heads. There's your dash. There's your handlebar, just right there. There's your foot peg for the stand. Hey, what are those? I think that's your carburetor. I think that's your carburetor. There's your brake lever. I don't know, you guys definitely can't see that. So that's for that part, guys. That manual there is a different region. I don't think you guys can read that. So, and here is the lovely stickers. Now, what I like about that sticker, guys, is you can have 3 different types of body painted. I mean, you have the blue, and you have the light blue, ordinary blue, and you have the white. So you can have a mixture between that one there. See the way it says white, and there's one there that says blue and dark blue. So there's the blue and dark blue. You can paint that colour, or you can paint it red, because there's one of the white strips, which is very good. And I think that's what most bikes should have, with different scheme of motorbike colours. So guys, I hope you enjoy me watching the belts or unboxing. And if you like the channel there, hit the subscribe button there. If you like the video, give me a bit of like, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.